Now let's look into how do you use the add multiple option and how do you add your employees in bulk on the RazorpayX payroll dashboard. Once you click on this feature, you can see that the very first line that we instruct you to add your employees and contractors in bulk is to download our template. Now once you click on this blue hyperlink, the software will download you an Excel sheet which will look somewhat like this. Now, if you see on the same Excel file, we have two subsheets called employee data and contractor data as well. To add all your employees, we will need you to go ahead and add their employee ID, name, email, date of hiring, professional tax location, their title, department, annual CTC, PAN, Provident Fund or not. So you can just put Y for a yes and N for a no right here. Their PF UN number in case if they select a Y, that is a yes for the Provident Fund, and their ESIC number as well in case if the employee state insurance is applicable on the employee. With this, you can proceed with adding the other columns, which is the current employer details, basically the previous salary paid to the employees in case if that's taxable, and any exemptions that you have considered while filing for those taxes on behalf of your employees. You can also go ahead and add the TDS deducted till date if you have already made the filing and payment up till the current month within the financial year outside RazorpayX payroll. In case if you want to store other information, you can also go ahead and put across the past employer details of the employees in case if you have the data present with yourself. The other columns here would suggest you to add the phone number, put across the gender for them, add the date of birth, bank account number, and bank IFSC code for all your employees right here in bulk. Let me show you by adding some data here and then we'll look into as to how all these employees profile would be created on the platform. Once you have added all the data on the platform, this is how it will look like on the Excel sheet. So you'll have the employee IDs listed, the names of the employees, email address, date of hiring, and so on. Please remember that on the top of the column, the data that is important for us to add these employees on the platform are star and asterisk marked. So please go ahead and add the important columns first. Once your data is ready, this is how your Excel sheet should look like with the necessary information available for all the employees. Now that this data is complete for you, let's go ahead and add them on the platform and create all these employees profile. So your Excel sheet is ready. You can go ahead and choose a file. Great. Once done with this, all your employees will be successfully added on the platform. You can also view their profiles created right here. And that is how Razorpay allows you to go ahead and add all your employees and create their profiles on the dashboard. Now, as we complete adding your employees and contractors on the platform, let's go ahead and see how we can get the company KYC verified for you on the RazorpayX payroll dashboard. Now that you have added all your employees on the platform, let's meet back again in another video to get your KYC verification completed on the RazorpayX payroll platform.